All right, so if you remember in the example, I had showed you that we were going to take a graphic and we were going to play video coming through the graphic. Okay, it is called a track mat. So that is what we are doing today. So if you are in Premiere, the first thing that you need to do is go over here to your assets, and you need to, if you're here, we're going to go to the BB4 project. We're going to right click and go to import. And now you have to go to your files, double click, and then we're going to go back to the graphics one. And we're going to select this picture. You can tell it's a picture because it's a PNG. So it comes in and it looks like it's totally black, which makes sense, but if you take, click, hold, and drag down to the timeline, make this so you can see it better. We don't need that. All right, so now if I click, hold, and drag it down to the timeline, put my cursor here, you can see it is just basically a black graphic. So I'm going to double click on the graphic and I'm going to make it smaller. Don't want to turn it. I want to make it smaller. And I'm going to put it kind of about right there because it's all about the showing movement. So next thing we're going to do is go here and we're going to go to effects. You're going to come up here to the search bar and put in track. I had already done it, but you put in the word track and it will show up as track mat key. Click, hold, and drag it to the clip, not to the graphic, to the clip. And then we need to now, I'm going to put this down a little bit again. We need to set the effects. So you can go up here, and if you cannot see your effect controls, click on window, make sure that effect controls are there, or if you just click on effect controls, they will show up. All right, we're going to go down to where it says track mat. We're going to click on none, and we're going to make it video 2, sorry. And so now we have and it shows up. And that is how you make a track mat in Premiere. Go ahead and save it, and we will finish this project this week. Make sure you ask me if you have any questions.